Hi everyone, this is John from SendMode, and today I would like to introduce a new feature which we've added to the service to allow you to get more customers from your website straight into your opt-in mobile customer database. So if you're familiar with how the PayPal buy now buttons work, you remember that you can just click a PayPal button and you can just go straight to the PayPal site and purchase items. Well, this works quite similar in that when you've this configured for your account, we'll give you code which will allow you to add this to these buttons to any page on your website, and when a customer clicks on it, they can then join any of the groups which you've specified available. So let's just do an example here. So let's say this is on a page on your website, join your SMS list. Your customer clicks, they add their mobile number, they verify that they're not a robot, and then they click verify. So what happens then is all the groups that you have made available to this web page are now viewable, and the customer can add themselves to different groups. So for example, if you had a landing page just for your Christmas club, you could have a button which just gives them the option to join your Christmas club. So configuring this is very, very simple, and I'll show you how to do that in the second video. I'll just show you at the end of this particular tutorial how to enable it. So if you go to Customers, Manage Opt-in Forms, you'll see a button here called Request Opt-in Short Link Form. If you click that, it sends us a message and we'll be able to set it all up for you. There's another video following and I'll show you exactly how it works. Thank you.